My people, Nigerian agberos don dey take another level. This one don pass, in fact, e don pass agbero level. This one na criminalism, total one. This girl come dey tell us matter now. According to her, she say she dey waka na park. Una know how those parks dey where people dey load to enter bus when they dey go somewhere. So she dey waka for the park, and according to her, she dey go deliver something for her mama. She even show us the bag, say na this thing I dey carry go give my mama. When she dey pass, na so one agbero. I no know whether na conductor, I no know whether na driver. Una know say difference no dey. E dey hard for una to find decent driver and conductor nowadays. So when the guy come ask am say, madam, how far na you dey go? Na how they dey do. Na so the guy come say no. Just know where this girl come turn. Na so this agbero start dey press her breast. He press breast as the girl wan retaliate. Na so he start dey beat am. The annoying part of this matter sef no be even wetin I just talk. The fact be say people even stand there, nobody even cough. Abeg, already I don dey feel somehow. Because for una wey no know the girl, wey no know wetin happen, how she even dey cry, dey beg. Because join me, make you watch the video.
I was going to the park to deliver something to my mom just now when one guy from this park right here, the guy assaulted me. He asked me if I was going. I said I am not going. The next thing, this guy started pressing on the road and hitting my hand. When I slapped the guy back, the guy started beating me. He found me on the floor and hit my leg. He was pressing my leg. He almost strangled me here. And everybody here, all these men who said the thing. Look at what I was going to deliver to my mom. I was going to deliver this bag to my mom when this guy assaulted me on the road and started beating me for no reason.
My people, na only animal fit stand witness this kind thing and e no do anything. So in other words, I dey try tell all of una, me I no care who you be. If you like, make your papa be the richest man in Nigeria, I no care. Me okay, kankan. You understand? So all of una wey know say una stand there, dey watch how they dey maltreat woman. All of una see una be animals because una no get heart. How person go dey harass person sexually? You know wetin e mean to dey imagine say they dey press your sister breast, which you no gree. Una wicked. See, and this thing no be the first time. E get many matters wey don happen wey people just dey watch. Why una dey do like this? Why una no fit just put una self for person shoe for once? E no good o. E no good. Na only for social media you go see say people get voice. They fit talk all the talk when they want talk for social media. Their own be say when something just dey happen, na to waka pass. Some dey waka pass, some dey video. Na the only power wey these people get now. Una go soon meet the one wey pass una own. And make I tell una now, no be swear, no be prayer, no dey insult anybody. Na just fact wey I dey tell una. You understand? Anybody, see, if as you dey watch as person dey suffer, when you get strength or you get the power to do something, you no do something. Na so people go watch you suffer too. Very, very important. And the time don reach when we need to start dey deal with these agberos. Because see, una don plenty pass citizens. We need to start dealing with this. Where dem dey, MC Oluomo and co. Una suppose dey tackle this matter now. But una dey busy with side chicks and una dey do boy for politicians. Una no go do something good for una country. Una own na to just sit down there, dey look for different skirts wey dey pass and to dey do dirty work for people. Biko, make everybody start dey wear their shoe. Because this year I no wan hear all these nonsense things. Why? E no nice. Seriously, no, as this girl dey talk now, the thing no do na something for una heart. This world, I swear, this Nigeria now where we dey, no. Una think say na just mini skirt. Una think say na when person wear something. This one now, her breast open. As una watch that video now, you know say even the shirt wey she wear even cover body. Even if person no wear something wey cover body, I no dey support indecent dressing. But I just dey tell una, even if person wear bomb short or anything, e no suppose concern you to the extent wey you go dey harass am sexually. Yes, call am and talk to am, advise am, say, babe, see, you need to change this thing. Na so they treat people. Person just tell you no. Na by force to enter your bus. I no just understand. Na by force. Wow. This thing just even make me remember e get one time wey I even dey inside market. Hey, because now na the one wey dey rain o. Even inside market, you no wan buy something na so sister how far, they go even that one no even do, they go come meet you, they go hold your hand, slap. Now so many of una go start dey receive slap. Now why from now don make up my mind pepper spray you no dey miss for my bag. Pepper spray, if you try nonsense I blind you, case close. Because una don dey overdo am, una don dey overdo am. E no dey enough sef to harass person, you even enter her breast. Wetin you dey find for her breast? Wetin you dey find? Seriously, I dey feel for this girl. I don't know how una take watch this video, but the thing I don already dey take am personal. E dey very painful. Imagine say something dey worry you, you no fit fight, you no fit do anything, you no just get the power to do am, you just dey feel am for your heart. If we decide now to start protest concerning this agbero people, they go send police make they shoot us. And now, as protest no dey, police go dey hear all this matter, they still no go do something about am. Wetin una want? Wetin una want make we do? No, make we kill ourselves. And all of una, this one dey very very important. All of una wey know say una get children, make una see, make una better start dey train those children o. You understand? Very very important, because this agbero now wey I dey talk about, e get mama, e get papa somewhere. If you no get the two, but at least you get one. No just come dey cause problem for the society only in the name of giving birth. Una go just give birth to things that people can't even express or explain. Wetin? Train your children as you dey give birth. See, train them. If you know say you no go fit, because keep your this thing to yourself. No push am out. Wetin happen? Person no fit waka again for road. Criminal waka, they no go do am anything. Innocent person waka, na that one they go come dey attack. You know say you get strength. You know say you get power to harass woman. Yet for police force, they look for people wey go join. You no go join. Boko Haram come, we need people wey go fight. You no go fight. Now for woman, you get power. Una time go soon reach. And for una police, biko, at least surprise us small. Look into this case. Look into this case. Not just pass. You understand? It is very important. All these agberos, they need. I don't even know. I beg my people. How una think say we fit even solve this agbero matter, because they plenty. If I say make they start, they catch them one by one. When we won't finish, because they don't pass us. So because if you get any solution or you think of any idea, you understand, when we feel tackle this agbero matter, my people, I beg drop am. If he help person, you don't know whether another person go be the next. Make another say you understand? Somebody else will be the next. So make we tackle this thing. Since people wey supposed do am, they don't sleep. We dey awake. I beg, make we try push this thing small. And my sister, Biko, sorry. I just wish say I fit do something now, one magic or something, but I no fit. You understand? Just I beg, take heart, and next time, just avoid those kind of places. I beg, no be just for her. If you no say anywhere where you dey waka, no go stand for where you know say all those area boys do dey dey. Look for place where you know say you dey okay, because we go avoid this thing. As at now, no way we fit do am. You understand? So make we just try avoid it. Dey very very important. Drop your comments for that comment section, and remember to share this video. You fit help a sister, you fit help a brother, and make sure say you subscribe. Very very important. Stay tuned for our next story.